Welcome back to Monitoring the Cloud with Keynote. In this segment, I'm going to show you how Keynote can help you monitor inside a private cloud with a new product of ours called Cloud Application Perspective. Here we go. As I said previously, a private cloud is a network where only authorized organizations are approved to participate. This could be more than just your company's internal network. It could easily be a group of partners, suppliers, or customers. What it's not is the general public and open to anyone on the internet. To monitor private clouds, Keynote has introduced a new product called Cloud Application Perspective, or CAP for short. CAP is a software agent that our customers can download and install on demand anywhere inside a private cloud. Data gathered at this location by the agent is then visualized as normal in Keynote's web portals alongside measurement data from our global test and measurement network. All existing monitoring and measurement capabilities are present in CAP. Now let's look at some use cases for CAP within a private network. As we've discussed, private networks, or clouds, can expand far beyond your corporate data centers. It includes remote offices, customers, suppliers, and vendors. Within this world, CAP has three core use cases. First, CAP can be used to monitor digital value chains. In this example, a manufacturer, like Siemens, is sharing information about their products via web services. A company called BSH aggregates this type of information across a variety of manufacturers like Siemens and provides it to retailers who sell these products. BSH can receive inventory information and in turn send orders via this API. CAP then would reside within the BSH data center and measure the performance and availability of this point-to-point link that is so critical to their business. In turn, Siemens may have its own suppliers in their just-in-time supply chain, which may need to be monitored in a similar fashion by CAP. CAP is also used to measure the performance of internal web applications. Increasingly, internal apps depend on third parties. In our example, we have a webmail application utilized in China that is in part enabled by a third-party email archiving service. CAP can be easily deployed to both the Chinese remote office and the corporate data center to monitor direct vendor performance and end-user experience. This allows IT to have full visibility into how their critical applications are performing for their users and to proactively manage their vendors. The final use case is monitoring first-mile performance. Returning to our BSH and Siemens scenario, ultimately this digital value chain information is accessed and consumed by customers via web application provided by BSH, the aggregator. Customers in this case are retailers who are selling Siemens products and other appliances from other manufacturers. By deploying CAP behind the firewall in a load balancer, BSH can quickly determine if performance problems are internal or external, as well as where internal problems may lie. This measurement data is then paired with other data from Keynote's public agents, its global test and measurement network, to get both an outside and an inside view of the performance of the application. This serves to not only reduce time to identify and repair, but also provides a clear demarcation of accountability for issues that may arise, valuable when SLAs are involved. Now we've seen how CAP can monitor a private cloud. Let's review at a high level how the product works. To start, customers set up an agent. The agent is a simple executable that installs on any Windows device. The business process that they want to measure with the CAP agent is then recorded using Keynote's free Kite tool. Kite is a powerful tool that combines both point-and-click recording and powerful advanced scripting for more advanced users. Once created as a script, the business process is then uploaded to our portal. At this point, the CAP agent, and if applicable, our global test and measurement network, measures and gathers data based on the script. Data is then visualized in my Keynote. Returning to our use case, say the dashboard reports a problem. Email is slow in China, but it seems our vendor is still performing well. We can use a graph to get an overview of the data to see when and what changed. Finally, we can drill down on individual data points to get a waterfall and investigate what components are failing. The final piece of the puzzle is that alerts can be tied to CAP measurements to proactively notify operations and IT about performance problems in speed and availability. Ooh, well, that was a lot of information to take in. You may wish to rewind and review this video in the future. In the meantime, here are 3 important takeaways from monitoring private clouds. Keynote's new CAP product monitors point-to-point communications found in private clouds. Private clouds are increasingly complex and composed of many organizations, and users in a private cloud could be machines consuming a web API just as easily as an actual user with a browser. That's all for monitoring inside private clouds. Next time, I'll talk to you about monitoring public clouds with Keynote.